what is up, guys? This is Ventrilo-Chris here, and I'm with my brother Evan, and today we're going to tie-dye. The materials you're going to need is ink, fork, white t-shirts, rubber bands, water bottles, and bowl. Big giant bowl.
And way cool.
Now we're going to put the fork in the middle and roll it like spaghetti.
I love this candy.
We're going to use an example t-shirt. We're going to pour the water in the shirt to make sure the ink sinks. Now you can pick any color that you want. We're going to use green and yellow. Okay. When you're done coloring your t-shirt, you put it in the plastic bag for 12 hours. Thanks for watching. I hope you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on next time. Goodbye!